Good morning, students. So today we are going to start chapter 14, use of was and were. So was and were are also auxiliary verbs. In the last lesson we have read about is, am and are in the present tense. Now was and were are the past tense forms of these verbs. So we can say that the past form of is and am is was, and the past form of are is were. Was is used to talk about one person in the past tense. That means with I is first person singular, he, third person, she, it. These all are singular forms. We will use the auxiliary verb was. In case of singular nouns, we can use was. Now, like if we write another verb, I was tired, he was tired, she was tired. Then our singular noun Raman was tired. Understood? Similarly, when we are using the past tense, the word past tense, that means we are talking about the action that is completed or already happened. That means this action verb is already in the past tense. So was is used in this case. I hope you have understood. Was is also used in the past continuous form also with these singular forms. Now let's see the use of are. So in place of are, we use were when we talk about a person or a thing in the past tense. So we use these in the plural sense in place of are. So were is used with the plural form of first person we, second person singular and plural you, third person they, or any plural nouns like Raman. And let's see, fill in the blanks with was or were. We can use we were at the theatre last evening. I was absent yesterday. Now let's see question number They were 1. The winners in yesterday's match. You were in class 4 last year. So this way we will do. Now see question number 2. Complete the following using was or were. We were shocked at the news. Communication was difficult in the olden days. There was a big building here 10 years ago. Like this, you will fill the rest of it. There was a big building here 10 years ago. Now let's see question number 3. Now let's see how to form negative statements using wasn't and weren't. So wherever we'll use was, we can write not. So like, so again, like I can write I wasn't tired. He wasn't tired. With she also we can write and with singular nouns or it we can write wasn't. Similarly, weren't will be used with we, you, they or any plural noun. Now let's see the question. So we simply have to add not with where or was and rewrite the statements as like Peter and I weren't present at the function. So in place of where were, we have I have written weren't. Okay, you have to write like this. Then it was a poisonous snake, so only not we are adding. It wasn't a poisonous snake. Like this you have to do, and rest of the question you need to do as homework. Now let's see how to form questions using was or were. So here again WH questions are there. So I was late because I missed the bus. So why you were late? What was he preparing for yesterday? Like this you will do, and rest of the questions are homework. Okay, so this lesson is finished. Next we will learn how to use do, does and did in the next video.